Welcome back to Quizbag. Today we've got something extra special for you. It's our Guess the Bird quiz. From tiny tweeties to sky kings. Can you spot them all? 3 choices, 1 answer. Think fast, flap those brain wings, and let's soar into the quiz. Ready? Let's take off. Robin, nature's red-breasted cutie. Ready for the next bird? Duck, the quacky pond star. Here comes another one. Crow, shiny black smarty pants. Can you spot the next bird? Canary, the sunshine singer. Let's fly to the next. Puffin, the colorful beaked cutie. Ready for the next bird? Toucan, big beak, bigger style. Here comes another bird. Dove, the peaceful sky flyer. Ready for the next one? Parrot, the chatterbox of the jungle. Another bird is coming up. Owl, the wise night watcher. Can you guess the next one? Flamingo, the pink-legged dancer. Here comes your next bird. Eagle, sky's fearless hunter. Get ready for the next. Albatross, the ocean's wide-wing wonder. Here comes another bird. Sparrow, the tiny feathered hopper. Can you guess the next? Swan, the graceful water beauty. Ready for another? Stork, the long-legged traveler. Here comes the next bird. Kingfisher, the river's bright blue hunter. Ready for the next bird? Hummingbird, the flower's speedy friend. Ready for the next one? Goose, the honking sky traveler. Here comes another bird. Crane, the tall wetland walker. Ready for the next bird? Clock's famous caller. Here comes another bird. Blue jay, the bright blue backyard star. Ready for the next bird? Pigeon, the city's rooftop flyer. Let's guess the next one. Macaw, the jungle's colorful another bird. Pelican, the seaside fish catcher. Ready for the next bird? Heron, the tall fish hunter. Let's spot the next bird. Goldfinch, the golden branch sitter. Here comes another bird. Nightingale, the sweet-voiced singer. Ready for the next one? Woodpecker, the tree-tapping pro. Here comes another bird. Falcon, the fastest flyer alive. That's our final bird. Wow, you really spread your wings today. From robins to falcons, you've flown through the quiz like a true bird expert. If you had fun guessing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your eyes peeled for more quizzes here on Quizbag, where learning is always an adventure. Until next time, keep chirping, keep smiling, and keep being tweet-tastic. Bye-bye!